Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a very simple Vue.js application. Inside this we will be converting the HTML into PDF with the help of jsPDF library. So this is the application that we will be building. We will be converting this HTML into PDF. If I click this button, so this will download a PDF file as an attachment. If I open this file, you will see that this HTML will be there inside the PDF file. So in order to make this application, first of all, you just need to go to codesandbox.io. This is an online tool for making various kinds of technology applications. I will be selecting Vue here. So this will make my Vue.js application. Before that, just add a dependency which will be jsPDF. In this case, we will be using jsPDF. Just search for, and this is a PDF document creation library. So it will install it in the background. Now you just need to go to app.vue file here. So let me just create some space so that you can see. And now inside this we will create first of all some basic HTML so that we can just inside this template we will be removing all that. Let me just delete this. Inside this we will be having a div which will be having a ref attribute. We will be giving it as content. So inside this we will be writing some HTML. So let me just write a basic heading that this is a heading. Let me just close the heading tag. And after that we will be having a simple button in order to download this HTML. So we will be having a button and it will be having a @click. So when we click this button we will be executing this function. So here we will just write download PDF. We will close the button here, so you will be having this download PDF. So now we just need to bind a on-click event listener. So right here inside this we will be deleting this components. We don't need components here, and we will be importing the library that we have imported. In this case we have imported jsPDF, so we will write import jsPDF from jsPDF. So this is the library, guys. It will auto increment. You can see that jsPDF has come here. So just write this line, and now we will define a property of methods. So in this we will define our methods here. Inside curly brackets we will write our method name, which was download. So when we click this button we just need to, let's suppose I alert hi, and now if I run this you will see that hi message will be printed out in the alert box. Now what we want to select the HTML that was selected. So we can just first of all declare the document doc is equal to new jsPDF. We can just initialize the document, and now we can just get the HTML from the tag that we have declared inside this. We have given a ref attribute to it. So in order to select this is very simple. We will write this dot dollar refs dot content dot inner HTML. We will target this property inner HTML. So this will give us the inner HTML of the element. And now in order to create a PDF from HTML inside jsPDF, we have a function which is doc from HTML. So this is a function, guys. We just need to pass our HTML, and then the x and the y coordinate 15 15. Let me just pass, and the fourth argument is the width of the document that you want to have. Let me just provide a width of 150 pixel. So just write here width and initialize it to 150. And now after providing this we just need to download the file. So we will write here doc.save, and we will be giving a name to it which will be output.pdf. So this will save the file with the name is equal to output.pdf. Now if I hit this button download PDF, so you will see that it will download this as an attachment, which is output.pdf. If I open this file you will see that this is a heading, and you can just have any sort of HTML that you want. You can have as many headings. Let me just copy this, paste it more number of times. You can see that download it, and you can have customized version of the HTML in order to one use case of this application may be in order to build a resume. You can have a HTML file and then you can just convert that HTML file into PDF using a jsPDF. So this is the short little application that I wanted to show you. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also hit the notification bell icon, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.